Okay, this is right outside my patio, and I don't know if you can see how there's probably 2 feet or oh goodness, a good 3 feet of snow there piled up. The parking lot isn't so bad. There's actually a lady in a car right there trying to dig out to even go home. Bless her heart. And I'm going to see if you can see over here, the parking lot. It's really bad. Let me see if I can zoom in. I am zoomed in. And there's so much snow on my window shield, you might not be able to see. Let me get in between. See how deep that car is? That car is up pretty high. Oh man. I'm going to move it over here. It is coming down. That's other apartment complex over there. They said a foot. And snow drifts in the parking lots on I-35 right outside me, Shawnee Mission Parkway. It's a standstill. People are getting out of their cars and abandoning them because they can't move. Goodness.